Hello, future programmers. Today we will learn how to find IP addresses of any websites. Okay, so you know that IP addresses helps in connecting our computer to other devices on our network and all over the world. So before starting the code, let me tell you what is an IP address. So IP addresses basically stands for Internet Protocol Address. It is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the internet protocol for communication. So IP address is nothing but it is an address of your network hardware. So an IP address is made up of number of characters. All devices that are connected to an internet connection have a unique IP address. And IP addresses versions is also there are two types of IP versions. IPv4 and IPv6, version 4 and version 6. So there are a few other types of IP addresses as well, like private IP, public IP, static IP, and dynamic IP addresses. Okay, so if you want to know more, you can go on IP addresses Wikipedia page. Okay, so now since we are familiar with IP addresses basics, now we can start the code. Okay, so in order to access the Python library, we need to import the package in our Python script. So we are importing it, import socket as S. Okay, so now we will make use of socket module to get the IP address of any website. Okay, now since we have imported it in our Python script, now we will start fetching the host name. Okay, so we are fetching the host name. My host name is equals to s dot get host name. Okay, and then now we will make use of get host name method from socket and store it in my host name. Okay, so now it's time to fetch the IP address. We will make use of get host by name method for the same and pass it in our host name, and we will store it in my IP. You can see here. Okay. So now once we are done, we are displaying our IP address by using the print method. Now we will fetch the IP address of the Python's original website www.python.org, and if you want to fetch IP address of any other website, just pass the URL over here. Just write the URL over there and save it in host. Okay, and then fetch the IP address of this host by using the get host by name method and then display it. So now let's just run this code and you will get my IP address is this, and the IP address of this website python.org is this. So this is how you can get an IP address of any other website by passing the URL of the website here, and then you will get it. So I hope you find this video useful. If you find it useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.